Without local experience, you're just another desperate applicant. LearnPedia isn't just a gentle poke, it's a full force preparing you for the Australian engineering sector. Our 12-week intense program isn't for the faint-hearted, it's for doers, ready to do their absolute best by learning local materials, construction methods, and software packages like Structural Toolkit, SpaceGass, and AutoCAD, and implementing them in designing real-life projects. You'll create a portfolio that doesn't just whisper, it screams your expertise. And the Industry Referral? It is a stamp of approval that confirms your performance, not promises. LearnPedia isn't just about closing gaps. It's about you becoming a standout candidate, propelling you beyond them. This is where you transform from an anonymous applicant to the engineer everyone wants on their team. Excited to begin? Let's dive in.